Torrin, how do you think this is gonna go?
It's pretty steep downhill, but I'm gonna see if I can ride it out.
All right, Gunnar, how do you think it's gonna go?
Hopefully I don't fucking break anything. And I think last time I trusted George, but we still have to get the canoe.
So we tried to ride down with 2 bikes. We were gonna have Torrin ride in my trailer and Gunnar was gonna ride his Chinese dirt bike. And we realized I could barely even pull my pack uphill. So we realized we'd get stuck down there. And then Gunnar's bike, the starter wasn't working. So I ended up being the only one who rode down on a mini bike. And I got down there about 6 hours before they did. It took me about 45 minutes. It took them about 6 hours to get down. And I got down here and got some shots. There's the spring. There I am in my tent, set up my tent, did a little fishing, caught some trout. And this is about when Gunnar and Torrin arrived. We filleted our trout, and we totally forgot our cooking stuff.
What happened?
No, you fucking fucked up. That's what happened.
Here, Gunnar fell in the river.
What happened? What's happened? What's happened? What's happened? What's happened? Tell me, mate.
And we literally used a piece of ceramic pipe from the original hot spring to cook this trout with the small amount of herbs and peanuts and things that we had. We were not well prepared for this trip, but we had a good time. Here we kind of makeshifted this pipe setup to get water going to our custom-made pool. I had actually left this tarp at this hot spring about a year prior and it was still there. Temperature comes out at about 112 degrees Fahrenheit or 44 degrees Celsius. This is our last day before we leave. Here's some shots on my way out. And that's about it. It was a fun trip, and I'll post some more videos in the future of our future trips.